Hi everyone, Shay here. I'm out on the bank today. I'm at Shardlow Marina actually, after the pikes and the perch. But that's not what this video is about. I just wanted to take a quiet moment to wish every single one of you a very gentle and peaceful Christmas. I know this time of year can be difficult for many people. Some of you are carrying a lot: grief, loneliness, mental health, financial stress. And while the world is full of lights and noise right now, I can still feel, what's the words, incredibly dark inside. If that's where you are, please know this: you are not alone. You're not weak for struggling. You're not a burden. You're not a burden. And you're not invisible. Might feel like you are, but you're not. Your story matters. It matters. You matter. If there's one thing fishing's taught me, especially on days like this, that even in the coldest moments, the quietest moments, life still has calm to offer. There's always a small bit of light somewhere, a little breath of peace, even if it's just standing by the water and gently reminding yourself that you made it through another day. We did make it through another day, and you'll make it through another day. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that supported Cast for Calm this year. It's very, very early doors, very early in the Cast for Calm story, but I wanted to put something back, and I've been incredibly honoured. I'm very proud that we're already getting 1,000+ views on the videos, and I'm getting comments. And I really want to build this community, and it means more than I can put into words. It really does. Having suffered my own mental health issues over the last few years, to be able to put something back and to help anybody else that may be going through the same things, same struggles, incredibly humbling. So if you are struggling this Christmas, I know there's plenty of us, do me a favour, please reach out to somebody. I can promise you the better days will come. They will come. You're stronger than you think. You watching this, you're stronger than you think, and the world is a better place with you in it. So wishing you all peace, hope and gentleness this Christmas. Much love, and take care of yourselves. A very merry Christmas to every one of you. Thank you.